Hey guys, take a minute with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to keep your standby mode always on, and if it's possible for your devices. There are some limitation with the standby mode being always on, and we're going to explain to you in this video. So if you have an iPhone 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, and any of the newer iPhone 15 series, what you'll need to do in order to keep the standby mode always on is by simply going into your settings, and then the standby mode you'll have this option for always on, and make sure that is turned on. Now the caveat to this standby mode always being on is that devices that are iPhone 14, the normal one, and anything older than that will not have this always on feature because it's not possible on those devices. So that by default standby mode will shut down or go black after 20 seconds, and you'll have to tap the screen to see the status of whatever widget you're running on standby mode. So that's kind of the big thing with the standby mode limitation right now, unless Apple decides to change it. But like I said, always on, if you're looking to keep it for the standby mode, it's going to be only on iPhone 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, and the new 15 series. Those are the only device currently that can have it always on. So here I have iPhone 12 Pro, and if I look in my settings here, right into the standby mode after updating to iOS 17, you'll see here there is no always on display. So that means if I keep it on, about 20 seconds into it, it will go black. Just to show you in real time, I'll take the charge up, and again, make sure your phone is charged for this standby mode, even if you have always on. So if I lock the screen just like that, and as you see here, it should come on any second. So it comes up right, but about, if you count down about 20 seconds or so, you'll see it will go dim or completely black. And then once I touch the screen, which again, not sure why Apple is doing that for these devices. Hopefully in the coming updates, hopefully if enough people make requests, maybe they will change it. As you can see here, the screen went completely black after 20 seconds, and you just have to tap it and it'll be on for another 20 seconds. It'll go off. So again, that's the limitation of it. So I hope this video explanation at least help you understand why you can't keep standby mode on device that are not iPhone 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, or the iPhone 15 series. So thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.